What is up, everybody? Hunter with Lost Socket Garage, and today I wanted to make a short video on abrasives. The stuff you cut with and the stuff you sand with. We use a ton of abrasives here at Lost Socket Garage, obviously, to cut these cars in half and sand them down and make sure that they look great. Now, the reason that I'm making this video is we recently partnered with Benchmark Abrasives. See? And we're really excited about this because we've been using Benchmark Abrasives, their products, for actually a long time. They actually partnered with us and they sent us a bit of a care package. So let's see what they sent us, and then we'll go through some of the abrasives that we use most commonly, and then we're going to put some of them to work on a Jackpad. Now, this is only a kind of pure box opening because we actually already used one of the grinder hoods. Hey! How you like the hood?
Yeah, it's so clear.
Yeah?
I like it.
Dope. And it's fluffing awesome. It was like Christmas. So let's take a look first. What all they send us? They sent us, these are 60 grit flap discs for a 4.5 inch grinder. The grinder is basically my favorite tool because we use it so much. Benchmark abrasives, 60 grit. We use that to clean up a lot of our welds. Let's see what else? Cutting wheels. We use this all the time, especially to cut cars in half. You'd be surprised how much we actually use these. And a sticker. I love stickers. Another one we use a lot of is the 2-inch flap disc, and this is really, really good for like blending out spots on panels that you're actually going to see. Also, we got a bunch of their just sanding discs. This is going to be awesome for blending in metal as well. This has the same type of fitting on an arbor. You just twist it straight in. Fluff and love those. The grinder hood. I'm excited about this. I'm not going to open this one yet because I already opened another one. This thing is so awesome. Audrey had to go with this one yesterday, and I think she liked it. Has a little extra room in it so you can actually fit a respirator under it. You can fit ears. Has a little cutout here so you can do over the ear muffs. They sell whole kits. But another thing that we got with this is actually they have different shades. So if I wanted to be an even cooler looking fighter pilot slash grinder, it's not their darkest shade, but it's pretty damn dark. And then these just snap right in. So I'm super pumped. We're going to start putting this stuff to work using one of my favorite tools, which is the 4.5 inch. And we're going to take a flap disc and start making the Jackpad that I made a little bit prettier. Now, this is actually a homemade Jackpad, and this is actually going on Dolly. I built it myself, but I wanted to make it watertight, so I put on end caps. These welds, they need to be cleaned up. Everything else is fine, but before this goes on, I want to make sure these end caps are nice and welded so the whole thing looks awesome. So I'm going to start off with a 4.5 inch, and I'll show you how it turns out. All right, so Jackpad is all finished. We got it kind of blended in a little bit. This is a homemade Jackpad. Pretty pumped to throw this in the bottom of Dolly. As far as abrasives go, after I welded it and after I was cleaning everything down, knocked everything down with the 4.5 inch flap disc, 60 grit, and then kind of blended it in with one of these screw-in flap discs from Benchmark Abrasive. So from cutting to grinding to PPE to even they have soap and stuff, Benchmark Abrasives is the way to go when you're getting consumables, PPE, etc. Massive shout out to Benchmark Abrasives. Thanks so much for sponsoring us. We love the swag. If you guys want to save some money on your abrasives, cutting tools, PPE, etc., I'm going to throw a link straight down below that it's going to save you some money. Check them out. Until next time, do what you love, don't be a dick, and as always, never be tamed. Peace!